Hi, Ileana V here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make use of our Docs MCP server. First, our Docs MCP server allows your AI agent to interact with our documentation directly if you don't like visiting our documentation every time, or you're this kind of person that you're mostly on your VS Code and you want to get the right response of our latest product, how to make use of our product directly from AI agents, then we got you. This is the right MCP server for you. So MCP server actually lets you search our documentation, get a particular content in full markdown, ask questions that you get the right response based on the details available in our documentation. And of course, you can send us feedback directly and we'll receive it. So here we have how you can connect our MCP server in Claude Code, Cursor, VS Code, and ChatGPT. But for this guide, I'm going to show you how to connect to our MCP server quickly via Claude Code, and VS Code. So here, this is my connector. Here, I'm just going to click on add custom connector, then give it any name you want, GetBlock, Docs, or whatever. Then add MCP server, and then you are good to go. Also, you can add it directly to or your Claude code using this prompt, which is the Claude MCP add -- transport HTTP, the name, and then our server itself. And also, you can also add it via your VS Code. You can allow it to have access to all your workspace or the current workspace you are working on. And it's very simple. All you have to do is this greater than, you can see MCP add server. You click on HTTP, then you enter the server itself, then you click enter, then you can see it, then you click on enter global or workspace. I'm just going to select this particular workspace that I am, and then click enter, and then boom, it's available. You can see it under this MCPPF. So you can now interact with our MCP server from your VS Code to name it. It's going to provide you all the necessary details you need. Thank you so much.